Hi, my name is Dr. William Shield. I'm an adult hip and knee replacement specialist with the Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay. One of the most common questions that we get are if I'm a candidate for a Jiffy knee replacement. Most patients who may be candidates for a knee replacement, whether it's a traditional approach or a newer technique like the Jiffy knee, are suffering from significant knee arthritis. That usually means ongoing pain with walking or daily activities, stiffness or limited range of motion, and symptoms that haven't improved with things like medications, injections, or physical therapy. What makes the Jiffy knee different is the approach. It's designed to be more muscle sparing, which may help with earlier mobility and recovery in the right patients. But it's important to understand it's not the right fit for everyone. When we're evaluating if someone may be a candidate, we look at a few key things: the severity of the arthritis on the x-ray, overall knee alignment and stability, and your general health and activity goals. All of these help us to determine the safest and most effective approach for you. There is no one-size-fits-all answer here. The best procedure is always the one that's tailored specifically to you. If you're dealing with knee pain and wondering what your options are, the best next step is to come in for an evaluation. We can take a look, review your imaging, and talk through whether Jiffy knee or another approach makes the most sense for you.